So what I have in my hands is a rain-free sensor. What this beauty does is that it actually helps with freezes. So if the temperatures drop below 32 degrees or so, this is programmed so your system, if you have your system, an automatic, it will turn off. So if we have maybe rained, if there's rain in the forecast, then if you have your sprinkler system set for automatic and it's scheduled to be turned on, if there's rain, it will completely turn it off. So this is what's called a rain and freeze sensor. So it detects the rain as well as the freeze. This goes on the outside, usually closer to your control box, near like a garage by the gutter line. And then this is going to be what you will be installing inside your garage next to your control box. So if your control box is inside your garage, this is something that you will install and connect all these wires inside your control box, so that way these two can talk to each other and you're able to make sure that your system is not running if it rains or if it freezes.